You are what you think. If you think you're good, then you are good. You are what you think. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my video on this channel. And today, I just want to talk about confidence. It's about confidence in speaking. The way I describe self-image is how do you see yourself? How you see yourself. Okay? Do you see yourself as a good person? Or do you see yourself as a bad or underperforming person? Now, this is important because a lot of people make mistakes with how he sees himself or how she sees herself. Sometimes people see themselves as a bad person, as underperforming person. In simple words, he can do the challenge, but the problem is he underestimates himself. He say no to the challenge. The challenge comes and he quickly says no, I can't, I'm too bad for this, I'm not worthy, I'm a loser. And that's what I call by underestimating yourself. You are what you think. If you think you're good, then you are good. You are what you think. And I know we hear this a lot from motivational audios and medias. But yeah, it's true. You are what you think. Because if you always think I'm bad, I'm sucks, then yeah, you're bad. I'm afraid that what you speak to yourself will be a limit. It will be a wall that's blocking you from your greatness. It will be a wall that blocks you from opportunities and challenges. Overthinking is just halting you. Yes, it will halt you from speaking, from doing, from things that you should be doing. And if you can eliminate this problem of overthinking, then I can say that's a big win. Because when you eliminate overthinking, you will see through problems more clearly. You can think more clearly. Because you're prepared for that problem. You're not overthinking. You're ready to think through that problem and actually solve it. The way is to believe in what you're speaking. If you believe in what you speak, then you speak good. That's what I think. It's simple. And so that's the first case, okay? The second case is the people already trying their best. She just try his best, tried her best, but it's just a lack of practice. Because speaking, especially speaking on public, requires a lot of practice. You cannot just think and just say it. Okay? Because practice makes perfect. The more you practice speaking, the more you become good at your speaking, and the less you'll conduct this filler words problem. Okay? So if you want to speak in public, go practice. Go practice. The more you practice, the better you at it. Yeah, it cannot be too long. So, I wish you guys have a good afternoon, a good day. I hope all your tasks are done. I hope you guys have a happy day. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.